So question number 1 of worksheet 3 of chapter 10. Draw a line segment AB is equal to 5 centimeter and divide it to internally into 6 parts. So 6 parts we have to divide this one. First of all we have to draw 5 centimeter line segment. All of you know, make the scale correctly and position. This one is the 5 centimeter. So this is point A and this is B. Make it A and B. From point A, at the point A we have to construct any acute angle, like it's 60 degree, 50 degree, whatever it may be. I am constructing the 70 degree. So join the acute angle means less than 90 degree. I know all of you must know this one. Same at B also you have to construct how much degree? At 70 degree. From here we have to check this one. It is the 70 degree. Now we have to join this one. Okay, now what we will do here, next take any radius, as you wish. Any radius you can take. From here 1, cut 6 equal arcs, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and it is also same radius, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have drawn 6. So first of all what you have to slightly extended the line segment here. Slightly extended the line segment here. Clear? So now it is become, first what you join, make this is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. This is B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. Now what we will do here, join first. This is the A here, A to B6. Join first A to B6. And this is the A6 here, A6 to B. You join this one. Now it is become a rhombus, like that it will be. Now what happens here? Here A1 to B5. Join like this. Next A2 to B4. Next A3 to B3. Next A4 to B2. Next A5 to B1. See how many parts it happens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts are internally it bisected. These are 6 are equal parts. So what are the equal parts here? You have write it down here. Make this is O, O dash, O double dash, O triple dash, O 4, like this. Here AO is equal to O dash is equal to O dash, O double dash equal to O double dash, O triple dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A triple dash, O triple dash, O quadrilateral dash is equal to O quadrilateral dash into B. These are the solution. It is the solution. Question number 2 of worksheet 3. Draw a line segment of length 6.4 centimeter and divided it in 4 equal parts. What is the length of the each part? Like this only, previous question only we have to construct the question here. First of all what you have draw 6.4. So what is that here? 6.4. So make this is the 0. All of you know how to construct. This is a 4. 6 after 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here make a line segment here. This is A and B. This is the, what is this? 6.4 centimeter. Like this only, previous question you have to make here acute angle. Acute angle means less than 90 degree, greater than 0. At point A we have to construct 60 degree. You can construct 50, 40, any angle, any acute angle. Same angle you have to construct at the point B. Here we have constructed 60 degree. It is also 60 degree. Now what happens here? We have to join this one. Join the 60 degree. You will join this one, and this is also 60. You have to join like this. Now both are acute angle 60 degree. Now how many parts it is given? 4 equal parts. You can take any radius. You can take any radius. You have to 1, 2, 3, 4. From it is also 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what else then? Same like this we have to join. Make this is A dash, A double dash, A triple dash, A fourth dash. Clear? It is also B dash, B double dash, B triple dash, B fourth dash. So you have to like this. You have to join A to B fourth part and A fourth to B. So now this one A dash to B triple dash and A double dash to B double dash and A triple dash to B dash. This how many parts? See 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. This is O1, O2, O3. Clear? So now what will happens? This one just you have to measure this angle. What is that one? 1.5. This is 1.6. Each part is 1.6. It is also 1.6. 1.6 into 4. Each part is 1.6. That is AO1 is equal to O1, O2 is equal to O2, O3 is equal to O3B. Each part is equal to how much? 1.6 centimeter. It is also 1.6 centimeter, 1.6 centimeter, 1.6 centimeter, 1.6 centimeter. So this is the answer. So question number 3 of worksheet of chapter 10. What is the draw a line segment of length 5.5 centimeter, divide it internally in the ratio 2:3. 2:3. What is the length of the each part? 2:3 means that is the 2 plus 3. How many parts here? 2 internally we have to divide. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 parts. Okay. So how will construct this one? First of all, you have to draw a line segment that is 5.5 centimeter. What is the line segment here? 5.5. Like this only we have to 5.5 centimeter. So make this is, name this is A and B. So from point A we have take the use of the protractor and you can construct that angle 60 degree, 70 degree, 50 degree, any angle you can construct. That is the less than acute angle. So both the sides parallel angles I am constructing 60 degree at the point A as well as at the point B also. So now join this one. Now join this one. What happens there? So you join this one. So what will take the equal parts? 2 plus 3, 5 parts. You have to do the 5 parts. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is also take the same parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now make this one A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. So now join A2, B5, A2, B5 and A5 to B. So now this AB we can divide it into 2:3. So first we can from A2 to here from 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You have to join A2 to B3. So make this is the C. It bisects, C bisects AB into 2:3 parts. This is the answer. So question number 4. Draw a line segment of length 6.3 cm. Divide it internally in the ratio 2:3. What is the length of each part? Like the previous question only. Same we have to construct but we have to here measure the each part. So that is here, what is that? The 6.3. After 6 we take the 3 small divisions. 0 to start, this is 6.3. Make this is say A and B. Same like this you can construct here acute angle less than 90 degree, make it is a 80 degree. Now construct here 80 degree. From it is also you can construct 80 degree. So what is the angle constructed at the same angle you need to construct at the B point also below that one. So that's both the angles are parallel angles. Okay, now join this one. Now it is also B join. Both the angles are how many parts? 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 parts. Same like this previous question, take any radius and make it 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From B also you can construct 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now what happens? Same like that, make this one A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. It is also B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. Now same like this, join A to B5, A5 to B. Now what is 2 is to 3? From A2 to B3 we have to join 1, 2, 3. So 2 is to 3. Make this is the C. What is the C? C bisects, C divides AB into 2 is to 3 parts. Okay, 2 is to 3 parts. We have to measure each part. So let us take what is the AC here. AC is equal to 2.5. AC is equal to 2.5 and BC is equal to 3.7, 3.8. Okay, so centimeter. This is the answer.